Latte dogs.
All right. You guys are the lattes and they're the dogs.
Father and son.
Father and son.
My dad started when he was 12. He was from South America.
You're so fluffy.
He got one dog, and that dog got pregnant, got more dogs, and slowly formed his own little dog crew.
So what are they going to do for us today?
Stuff you never seen before.
You guys aren't nervous, are you? When the dogs get on stage, hopefully they do what we did in practice.
Luca, come here. Joe, Ben, Joe.
Of course, our dogs always do what we say, but... Lily! Hey, come here! We have our fingers crossed. Hopefully that everything goes well.
Go get them.
Hello.
Hello.
Who are you?
The Olati dogs.
Wow.
What kind of dogs are they?
These ones are Labradoodles.
Wow. And so you do this for a living?
Yes.
Show us your wares. Let's see it.
Okay, thank you.